Hello, my name is Janilsa, and I will be talking about what I understand is the difference between Latin and American music. For me, they differ in many things. One of them is that the Latin rings is more lively and humorous, and on the other hand, the American is softer, usually speak more about feelings, which makes them less attractive for parties. This is another difference. American music is usually listening to more at home, while Latin music is usually the most played at Paris. In addition, the instruments used for American music are are usually relaxation, and for their part are mover and persecution, which inspires dance and movement. Personality, I can say that I like Latin music much more because I like to dance a lot and be happy. Also, I repeat that the taste of others is are from me. I'm finished. Bye.